Hello guys, in this video I would like to share about how to recover the delete file. I'm sure normally people will recover the delete file from the recycle bin. If the recycle bin does not contain the file that you have deleted, due to the file is deleted from the pen drive or thumb drive, how can we recover it? So in this tutorial video, I would like to introduce a software which is Recover. And then we have to download this software with the free version by click on this button, choose on free download. After download this software, we open the file explorer, choose on your thumb drive or pen drive, select on all file, and then right click, delete, and then it will show a dialog box. Are you sure to want to permanently delete this 6 item? Click yes. So this 6 item will not be go to the recycle bin. Recycle bin is empty. As a result, if you want to recover the delete file, you have to open the software that you download before, Recover, double click it, and then click cancel. Choose on your drive you want to scan to recover the delete file. For example, I choose on USB drive D that I delete before, so I click scan. It will show the file that you have deleted before, so now I will choose on the file that I want to recover back. For example, I choose on this one. And then click recover to the location that you want to save. Then click OK. So now I open the file explorer to check on the file that have to recover back or not. So successfully recover the 4 file and remain the another 2 file. Then I will scan again to recover back. That's all. Thank you.